There are many different data types in C#. The data types you will need to know for GCSE digital technology are string, which can store any character, any keyboard character, letters, numbers, symbols, or words. A char, which can store a single character. An int, which can store any whole number. A double, which can store any decimal or floating point number. And a boolean, or bool for short, which can only store true or false. You should note that whenever you're declaring and initializing a variable of any of these data types, there are certain requirements. For example, when you're declaring a string, you can either declare the string with for example, the name first name, and you can initialize it with double speech marks. And what that does, that creates an empty string literal. So it initializes it to a blank essentially. Or you can create a string variable and you can declare a string variable but not initialize it, as you can see on line 9. To declare a char or character, a character is, or a char is a data type that can store a single character, any character on the keyboard. And to initialize a char, you use single quotation marks. Again, like a string, you don't have to initialize char, but your program will throw an error if you don't use that particular variable, even when you have declared it. An int, as I said previously, allows you to create a whole number, and again, like the other data types, you don't have to initialize it, but if you don't use it, your program will throw an error. Double stores a decimal point number, and again, you can declare it without initializing it. And a boolean then allows you to store either true or false.